Sandra here, and if you're new here, I post videos all on beauty and lifestyle and just about anything that tickles my fancy. And if you click that red subscriber button and the notification bell, you'll be up to date on whenever I post a video. So I initially was gonna do a clothing kind of haul. However, sunlight is going down and I like to film certain things in natural light because I feel like you just see the detail of the product better in natural light. But I figured I'll just film something else and then film the clothing haul another day. So this is going to be a video on my top 5 products that I've ordered from Amazon that I'm absolutely in love with and that has changed the game for my skincare. Like, I love these products so much, and I feel like if you're a person that suffers from acne, or even if you have dry skin, or just have like a less than perfect skin, you'll love these products too. So the first product I'm going to talk about is my favorite thing from all of this. Actually, okay, I'm not gonna say it's my favorite thing. It's one of my favorite thing, and it is the Kiva Tea Tree Acne Treatment Cream. I love this stuff so much. I love this stuff so much. And I just want to make a slight disclaimer that I actually did receive this product from the company to test out, and I loved it so much. I loved it so much that I actually went back on Amazon and I subscribed, because you could do subscription on Amazon and they send you the product out every 3 months or every month, however you set the parameters for it. So I received the first jar of this. I loved it so much that I decided to go back and repurchase it, and this is my second jar of it. And this is what it looks like. You get a 1 ounces in here, and it's amazing. So the main ingredient in this is tea tree oil, and if you know tea tree oil, it works perfectly. It's almost like an antibacterial agent if you suffer from acne. So it helps you to clear it helps to clear off any bacteria that's on the surface of your skin, and therefore you're not breaking out. But what makes this product so amazing is that they combine it with menthol, which somehow, if you don't like menthol, then you probably won't like this product. But they combine the tea tree oil with menthol, and it almost has like a cooling effect on your face. So I feel like it just like penetrates the ingredients in your skin much faster. And I tell you, sometimes when I eat certain products, let's say dairy or cheese, dairy, cheese, milk, whatever, which I completely stay away from, but sometimes I do indulge in cheese a little bit too much, I will feel like a pimple coming up the next day. And I swear to you, if I put this stuff on it just goes away. Like, it literally just goes away. And I cannot even tell you the amazingness of this product. I'll link it down below. You guys could check it out for yourself. But I absolutely am in love with this product so much, and I truly believe, like, if you try it, you will like it too, unless you're one of those people who probably don't like the feeling of menthol on your skin. You may not like it. However, this stuff is amazing. So if you have cystic acne, or if you have dry skin and you get a lot of breakout, you will love this product, because it is very rich it's very rich in the sense that it's really moisturizing. So I only like to use it at night. I never usually use it during the daytime, but if you have dry skin, you'll probably be able to use it in the daytime. For me, I have oily skin, so I like to use it at night when I'm going to my bed, and when I wake up in the morning, my skin just feels refreshed, and I love this stuff so much. Love it, love it, love it. So this is one of my favorite products, and like I said, I loved it so much that I actually subscribed to receive this every 3 months, because this stuff, it's amazing. I have nothing else to say, but it's amazing. The second product that I have been loving lately is this little thing. It is actually a facial steamer. I'll try to find a link down below. You guys could check it out. So I actually had a facial steamer before, and it was horrible. It was one of those facial steamers that wasn't properly secured, and it actually ended up burning my leg, and I have a scar to this day for it. I'll insert pictures. Yeah, so sometimes you have to make sure that when you're buying a product, it's actually safe and secure. And ever since I got burned from that product, I took it, I threw it in the trash because I was so mad. And actually that was the worst pain I've ever felt in my entire life. But I decided to go back on Amazon and order something else that was way better, and it's actually perfect because the water is right here, so it's secure, and all the steam comes from here. So what I tend to do with this is I usually like to use this about once every month or so, even more sometimes, depending on how lazy I feel or don't feel. And it just opens up your pores, and it allows me to be able to get product down deeper into my skin, and I love it so much. And this stuff is amazing. It's also perfect because you can use it as a humidifier, which I don't do. I only just use it to steam my face, or you could even use it to warm, put a warm towel on it and put the warm towel on your face if you would like to, but I only use this as a facial steamer, and I love it. Absolutely love that stuff. The third thing that I actually ordered from Amazon that I am in love with, and I've seen it before but I've never tried it out because I was just like, I don't feel like trying it out, but my friend actually ordered it. She ordered it. She liked it, but however she felt like it was too strong for her skin, so I decided to order it, and I loved it so much that I decided that I'm gonna order another one because this is almost finished. And it is the Admire My Skin Ultra Potent Brightening Serum. So what's great about this product is not only does it have 2% hydroquinone in it, which helps to get rid of any hyperpigmentation that you have on your face. It also contains lactic acid, kojic acid, azelaic acid, salicylic acid, and also vitamin C. So it's just the perfect combination of product that's just going to get rid of any hyperpigmentation that you may have from any post acne scarring or any post acne marks, and it helps to get rid of all that. I love this stuff so much. And the last product I ordered, which I'm absolutely in love with, is my microneedling roller kit. This is what it looks like. I love this one. There are very different variations of this on Amazon, but this is the one I went with. Because not only do you get the actual microneedle roller, you also get a 20% vitamin C serum, plus hyaluronic acid facial serum with it. So it's perfect in combination because you can use this and then you put this on your face, and it just helps to get rid of any dark spots or anything else that you want to get rid of, basically. So the reason why I ordered the 2.5 millimeter is because, one, I've tried microdermabrasion. I've tried microneedling before. I've actually tried it with a longer needle, and it scared the crap out of me. So I figured I'll try something a little bit smaller and work my way up. So I figured I'll try something a little bit smaller and work my way up. And the 2.5 millimeter just works perfect for me. So the length of the needle that will determine the more effective the results that you will see. So if the needle is longer, the deeper the puncture wound will be in your face, and I guess it all depends on what your skin needs. So for me, I have a lot of large pores, so I figured I'll try the 2.5 millimeters first, work my way into something a little bit larger later. But the 2.5 millimeters is perfect if you have large pores on your face and you just want to help to get rid of large pores or maybe any slight acne scarring. If you have deep persistent acne scarring, you're probably going to need something larger, or I would just recommend seeing a professional, because the FDA is actually now cracking down on sellers who are selling like anything larger than a 5.5 millimeter needle. So it's very difficult to find anything longer on Amazon. So you're either gonna find the 2.5 millimeter or the 0.50 millimeter on Amazon. But if you're somebody that, like me, that is just starting to get into microneedling, and you're kind of scared and you're a little bit nervous, I'll suggest just trying the 2.5 millimeter. And what's perfect about this kit is that it also comes with the vitamin C serum, which I'm going to demonstrate in a separate video how I actually use this and how you can use it to be on the safe side. But the perfect thing about this is that it comes with a vitamin C serum, and most dermatologists would recommend using a antioxidant cream on your face with the microneedling, because these tend to create little tiny puncture wounds in your face or little tiny channels in your face. And what happens is once you put any form of serum in it, it helps to go into the deeper layers of your skin. So that's pretty much why they sell the both of them together, and that's why I chose to buy it. But I loved it. I love it. I've done it maybe twice or maybe 3 times before, and I am seeing little results with it. So if you guys want to try it out, I'll leave the link down below, and I'll also make a video showing you guys how I use it. But I definitely recommend doing your research first, looking up videos first, and then try it out for yourself. And if you are going to try it out with a smaller size needle, which would be the 0.25, and take it from there. So those are all the products that I've ordered from Amazon that I absolutely am in love with. I love everything. I love all of these products, and I actually am in the process of going to repurchase this one because I love it so much, and it's almost finished. And I'm actually in the process, well, I'm not in the process, but I should be receiving another jar of this one, which I absolutely love. Like I said, I have acne skin, and these are just stuff that I feel like is just working so amazing for my skin. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And you guys could just mention anything that you've ordered on Amazon that has done wonders for your skin. These are just stuff that actually work for me, and I'll leave all the links down below, and you guys could check it out. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love y'all, and goodbye.